Yo, guys. Yo, guys. It's your boy here. I'm currently freaking sleeping on that freaking tent. You know, I gotta tell you, I'm using them as a cushion. But yeah, I'll be leaving home in today's Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday is today. Friday, Saturday. 2 more days. 2 more flipping days. I'm so scared. And the reason, why am I scared? The reason I'm scared is about the course. It might be proper hard, like, it's not exams, it's like coursework and everything, which I'm actually happy about, but I just got a notification, but it's better than exams actually, to be honest. But the scary part is I need to do it in front of loads of people, which I'm not actually scared of. Well, I am scared of it, but my willing to want to do it is more great than being scared. See that wording? But yeah. I need to start making. I'm gonna try and send you down. Yeah, I haven't uploaded in ages, but I don't know what to say. That holiday was so good, and I'm back to being the same person in my house, but that's about to change. Damn, look at my arms. Pretty small. Oh yeah, another big thing I've done is change my full body workout into a push-pull leg. I've been doing full body for almost 2.5 years, maybe more. Damn. Feels like I've been working out my whole life. But it's only been, I guess, 3 years. I don't look big, but I guess I got the strength. Which, I don't care about strength anymore. I realised looking like you work out is better than being strong. Because, yeah, my holiday experience changed that for me. So yeah, and I just went sauna today. I was supposed to do legs, but I couldn't be asked. And I was supposed to go at 11. Then it became 12. But yeah, I'm not even talking that much in this video, so you guys, well, there's no one watching, but maybe in 20 years, older me is going to see this. Maybe you will. Oh, wait, ow. My left arm hurts so much. It doesn't hurt. Wait, I don't know if it's my elbow. It might be my elbow, but it's next to my shoulder actually. When I tense here, then extend. This part right here hurts, somewhere inside there. Anyways, yeah. Do I need to shave? Do I need to get a trim? That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I actually don't know, mate. I'm excited for uni because of the clubs I can join. There's water surfing. No, wind surfing, where you hold on to a surfing board and just let the wind take directions. I need to stop doing that. The wind like take directions of your. Let's say you're here. I can't hold it. Okay. Fucking stupid freaking. Alright, imagine. Okay, let me use somewhat flat. Cause I'm flat. Alright. Imagine this surfing board with I'd say like a flag that you hold on to. There's gonna be a pole on the flag, so then the wind pushes you with the surfing board, and you hold on with both your arms or maybe one, and you just go surfing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! And there's other things. There's a pantomime looking one, and a small part of me wants to do it because I want to be on stage and everything. And do I do it? That is the big question. Do I do it? You have to go two times a week to the place to learn your stuff. And at the end, you go to a theatre and basically perform. And that sounds scary. Can I do that? I don't know. Actually, I can't do that. Yo. What else is there? There's a rugby club. That would be pretty cool. Just fucking push people like boom, get the fuck off. Actually, that would give me a good reason to scream. Just let the anger on. That's a good shout. And boxing and Muay Thai that I want to try out. But I have to do at least one to two clubs. I can't do all of them. So there's taster sessions basically, and I'm gonna try and go to some of them, a lot of them, meet loads of new people. See what I like. What else is there? There's some bird watching. I'll be watching other birds. Alright. What else is there? I don't know what else is there. I'm actually so fat. I need to lose weight. When I look skinny, not fat. Imagine that was my thumbnail. Like, when I post a video, the thumbnail's random, and it's whatever's on the video, and imagine it was just me. Ain't gonna be good, man. Maybe got a few million views, but boom! I don't think few million views. Yeah, I'm trying to be like Togi. How he gets excited. With a million views, turn on one, boom, 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 boom. With a boom, boom, boom. Get that shit done, man. Get that shit ready done. It's a good way of expressing myself. And I'll be taking this actually to a battery pack. And my freaking phone battery pack is broken. Don't know how it broke, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you're doing good. Anyways, it was. I need to stop being a monk. I'm not just a monk. Let me try and be real for a second. I feel an empty void inside myself. Maybe that's why my channel's called Sahid's Void. Maybe this is the reason I started this channel. So the YouTube videos fill my void. I was there maybe last week on my knees talking to God, and I felt like my void just disappeared. And maybe this channel is the void. If you think about it, I'm the void inside me. You're the void. If you times 2 minuses together, that's a positive. You know where I'm going with this? A positive is not a negative, because technically a negative is a void. So technically me and you belong to each other. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm going insane now, but yeah, I'm gonna try to start uploading every day now. Actually, I am gonna upload every day now, starting from now. This teddy bear. Yeah, I'm gonna try to upload every day now. Maybe I could make this video like 40 minutes long, but I don't know what to talk about. What do we talk about, guys? Let me try and sell this battery pack to you guys. Let's pretend you guys are the class. So guys, can anyone tell me what this is? No, it's not a phone. It is black, and you put something inside it, and that something is something that you can't see. Energy. You put energy into this black box thing. What do you do with energy, guys? Can anyone tell me what you do with energy? Anything? Well, with energy you could do loads of stuff, like you could take energy and you could give energy. And wait, low battery. An example of this is when you turn on a light. The energy comes from your house, and you have to buy that energy, and then you use that energy for your light bulb. Yes, guys. So technically this is the same, but you use this energy to charge anything, like whatever fits these. For example, a phone, a remote. What else can? What else can charge in these? Remote, a PlayStation controller, basically is a remote. That's actually tough. Another battery pack. I'm gonna have to do an experiment, like how much energy gets wasted when I charge with another battery pack. So like basically what I'm trying to say is, let's say this was 4 bars, which means it's full, and then I charge this battery pack with the same exact battery pack. Boom, plug it in to each other. Will that turn into 4 bars again, or will it be lower? My theory is that it's going to be lower, because it kind of makes sense. It's kind of obvious. I mean, you can't save 100% of the energy, I guess. And on another note, you know what else is black? Me. I'm joking. I'm not black, I'm brown. But another thing that's black, I think, is a black hole. And I've heard theories. I've been watching videos at night about black holes, about space, how big, blah blah blah. Space is... it is big. 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 And okay, so what's inside a black hole? Well, there's a theory that in black hole time doesn't exist, and my brain doesn't comprehend what that means. Like, what does that mean? Time doesn't exist. Time doesn't exist in the black hole. So time What do you mean time doesn't? What is time? Time is. It just makes my brain go. I asked ChatGPT and I still don't understand that much. I told it to make it simpler for me. It said, imagine you're on a train and there was a time and the train was going and that time was going. Ooh. Okay, wait. I got like a and my small part of my brain started open like, oh, you genius. But then there's another side. Well, then there's another POV. Alright, so imagine you're on the train looking at the time. Boom, going seconds. And then another you is outside the train looking at the time. Just use both of yourselves as an example. It's nothing to do with like, yeah, there's two people at the time. So basically, see, oh, I'm so confused. I need to. Time doesn't exist. Let's try and figure this out. So time doesn't exist in the black hole. Time doesn't exist in the black hole. Time doesn't exist in the black hole. We're going to get back to that question in a few minutes, but let's talk about something else. Black holes basically suck everything, take energy from everything. And you know what else it does? It gives out energy. The tiniest amount, the smallest amount of energy. But the thing is, if it does that, then it has a lifespan, basically. It's gonna take millions of years. But that slowly builds up, and everything's infinite. It's infinite, basically. Time is infinite. Time is infinite. Maybe that links. Maybe that links to what I'm saying. Time is infinite. Time doesn't exist in the black hole. Time is infinite. Time doesn't exist in the black hole. Wait, okay. So time is infinite around here, but in the black hole, it doesn't exist. So it's not infinite. So let's say, let's say technically you got sucked into a black hole. You wouldn't realize you got sucked into a black hole. That's a theory, apparently. And ChatGPT said to think of time as a band that you could stretch out. Wait, that makes sense. Oh, okay. So basically, time doesn't exist. So the band would be stretched. Stretching. Time disappears. I'm just imagine. Okay, this is making my brain think, which I kind of like a lot. So guys, I'm just trying to think of like it said about bands being stretched. Imagine that. If that's like a black hole. Okay. So band stretches. Time doesn't exist. So if time doesn't exist, then what the heck? If time... Let me actually go deep in my brain and think. Time does not exist in the black hole. So, let's say you're in the black hole. Time doesn't exist. Time What is time? Time doesn't exist. I'm not, guys, I'm trying to figure it out. And maybe you guys know the answer, but my brain is fried. My brain is so fried, man. Okay, time doesn't exist. Time does not exist in the black hole. Okay, so what is time here? Time is something that goes by. That goes by. That goes by. What I mean by that is time flies by. But in the black hole, time doesn't fly by. So I guess you're in another dimension, I guess. What if in the black hole you're not human? Well, you are, like, I guess think of it as like, ooh, okay, another theory. Well, what I think, ooh, wait, time, ooh, okay. Where's my go? Okay, so in the black hole, time doesn't exist, which means you're neither dead or alive. Which also means that you could see the past, present, and the future at the same time. Oh my god! That makes sense. So you can see the past, present, and the future at the same time, because time doesn't exist. And if it did exist, no, yeah. So technically, you'll be another dimensional beast inside the black hole. I just connected all the dots into boom, a boom. So technically, when you're dead, time doesn't exist, does it? Now I'm going to death. When you're dead, time doesn't exist. When you're dead, time does that mean? Oh, I don't. Wait. So does that mean when you're dead, time doesn't exist and ghosts can see? Ghosts can see the past, present, and the future. I saw this in YouTube or TikTok comment section. What four-dimensional world is. My overbite is so over. Such a so over. So over. Anyways, yeah, four-dimensional. So time doesn't exist in the thingy. Yeah. Sounds like I was properly into that. Thinking about it. I haven't made a video this long in ages. Good thing I did. Very, very good thing I did. It hurts. Why does it hurt? Ooh, it might be my elbow, you know. Anywho, 25 minutes. I remember making a video that was an hour long. I think I was talking about bears. I don't know what it was about, but this lying is amazing. Ain't it? Ain't it, pal? Ain't it, pal? So, that world, And another thing about black star, time is infinite, is it? You could. Okay, this is another theory. Time is. Oh, I don't know. I just. Okay, so I'm thinking time is infinite. But if the Big Bang is real, then time isn't infinite, is it? Because everything's expanding. Then at one point, everything dies. And black holes are second to last to die. First is, I forgot what it's like. It's like a planet, something that died, but still has a little bit of energy. And black stars take, let's say, a number 2 to the power of 90 billions of years. More than that, maybe. But the other thing, that the last thing to ever survive, that lasts thousands of times more than the black star. That's the black star to a power of like, what was it, 60 something? Well, that one is a power of like 1,000. That's how greater it is. But let's say, yeah, okay. So everything dies. And if time is infinite, then why, when everything dies, it all just comes back together and blows up again like the Big Bang? Because if that did, then time isn't infinite, and time is repeating. If you see where I'm going. So technically, I've been doing all this before. Until I died, until the planet died, until our sun decayed and died, everything else died, all the black holes died, then the final thing died. Time is a loop. Black holes emit energy. Guys, I think I'm onto something. Black holes emit energy. Yeah, this is a good convo that we're talking about. I'm just thinking in my head, I'm not even telling you guys. I was just imagining telling my cousin about this. Like, he would have so many good theories. He's an intelligent person. But yeah. Okay, so everything. Oh, okay. Yeah, so all the energy disappears. So what happens when there's no energy? What happens when there's no energy? Well, it dies, doesn't it? And how's Big Bang a thing? How's God real? If Big Bang, what is God? This is too. I might get swatted or something. I'm onto something, guys. Space. Hey, bro, you know anything about it? That he does. I hate when I'm walking and the wind blows and I just don't get a bush hair, which makes me look like a weirdo. Hey, guys. Okay, so Big Bang, boom, explode. takes billions of years for neutrons, blah blah blah, to, you know, disperse and make worlds. Wait, so how are planets made then? I know it takes billions of years, but like, that's, ooh, yeah. But then how does life be made when there's just oxygen? And how's water made? How's all these made? Maybe infinite is the answer. When infinites I think anything's possible. Ooh, yeah. Okay, infinite. If infinite's a thing, then everything's possible, technically. So if infinite's possible, but then there's things that are impossible, which means infinite isn't real. A new theory. Is infinite real? If infinite was real, then technically we're screwed. If infinite's real. If infinite is real, then okay. So imagine infinite is real. If infinite is real, technically, if infinite is real, then technically we could do anything, because infinite is real. But it's not real, because we can't do anything. So infinite is not real. Infinite is not a thing. Infinite is not a thing. So if infinite is not a thing, it's God infinite. It's God a thing. Okay. I think that's enough video. That's enough posting today. But I'll be researching this and I'll be letting you guys know what I think. I'll make like a small, oh, phone's almost dead. I'll make like a small video, maybe smaller, a compact video tomorrow. And I'll be researching and I'll be letting you guys know. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any theories, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. I actually would. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out.